Hi everyone, this is Kaiju Studios G2K, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, this is my custom/fan-made design of Godzilla, or in other words, my own original interpretation of the King of the Monsters, made out of pipe cleaners. This originally made design of Godzilla was created last year, and over time, I give it slight changes to the design to better capture the vision I had for my own rendition of Godzilla, which displays a more lizard or dinosaurian appearance compared to how Godzilla is traditionally depicted. I used heavy inspiration from one of my favorite unused Godzilla designs, that being the Stan Winston Godzilla design, which would have been used in the unmade 1994 American Godzilla vs. the Gryphon movie, before it became the 1998 Roland Emmerich Godzilla movie. Some real-life animals I used as influence are Scorpio venator, theropod, the Chinese crocodile lizard, and the Borneo earless monitor lizard. I also used the Ricardo Delgado Godzilla design, aka the Delgadosaurus, as inspiration for the more theropod-like stance I made for my custom rendition of Godzilla. That was a bit of background on the inspiration and influences I used when designing my own Godzilla, and how I am posing the pipe cleaner around. As you can see, it's very posable and flexible, which allows for some dynamic poses, the same as all the other pipe cleaner builds I've made. I wanted my Godzilla to have a more dinosaurian theropod stance, as opposed to the traditional humanoid upright stance with the tail dragging the ground. It is an iconic characteristic of the Godzilla design, but we've seen that design already. We're so accustomed to that. I feel like a more theropod design would be refreshing to see, and I don't think it's a bad design by any means. I think it's really cool. I think a more theropod, dinosaur-like design for Godzilla can work if it's done correctly. This Godzilla can stand both vertically upright and horizontally. With my version of Godzilla, I made sure to balance out the traditional aspects of the character while also putting in some new elements in there, while also taking influences from some unused designs that we've seen in unmade Godzilla projects, like I've mentioned before. And here's the theropod stance right here, which is similar to what you see in a theropod dinosaur, of course, as well as the 1998 Godzilla. I had to use a battery charger to hold the tail because none of my theropod builds, including this one, can hold the tail upright, can hold the tail horizontally rather. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it'd be something refreshing to see in Godzilla. And here's a closer look at the details. This Godzilla has a noticeable eye ridge. It's got the underside right here. That's more reptilian-like. It's got the 3 rows of spikes, and this Godzilla only has 3 rows of spikes, which are meant to be jagged and almost crystal-like, and it's tinted in white. And there's the crocodilian paddle-shaped tail. This was the custom Godzilla design I've created last year that I wanted to show you guys. And to end off the video, here's my rendition of Godzilla put alongside the other Godzillas I've made out of pipe cleaners, and a Videoleap gallery of the custom Godzilla. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, feel free to like the video, comment down below what you think of my custom design of Godzilla, and subscribe to the channel if you want to, of course. And I really appreciate it since it helps my channel grow. As always, long live the king, and I'll see you in the next video.